Hi and welcome to Bing Bang Profits demo. Real quick, I'm going to teach you and show you how we're going to be using the Bing Bang Profits software to help you create ads on Bing, to promote offers, build lists, drive traffic. Doesn't matter, you can do it all using our software and Bing ads. So first things first is we're going to hit the Bing competition, where we want to find ads related to the keyword that we're choosing and related to the country that we are doing ads. So let's say I wanted to find an offer on Max Bounty that had to do with surveys. I will come here and actually get the information, see if I can promote it, then come back here and look for something that's similar to this offer that I found on Max Bounty. So by choosing keywords, it will pull out all the ads that are running right now on Bing from your competition related to your niche. So what I want to do is I want to copy these ads and actually push them over into my ads account on Bing Ads. Now in my Bing Ads account, I've got an ad that's currently running, and we're going to be using this as an example. So the software just pulled out all the ads that I've been creating using my Bing Bang Profits software. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll and find the actual ad that I've created already for this specific offer. I've got two ad groups. I'm going to choose one, and I'm going to choose the paid surveys, and I'm going to create. Now this is going to push this specific ad inside my ads account on Bing. You can see that the ad is this one right here. This is the one that I just pushed over into my ads account. So the second thing that I want to do is basically go to Bing Suggest, which is our Bing suggestion tool, where if we explore the keywords that were placed on those ads, we're going to get all the keywords that had to do with the ads that I found from my competition. So the best way to find the best keywords is by either using the filter and choosing all these metrics that you can get, or choose all your keywords and add them into your Bing ads campaign. Now I've already pushed them over, so I don't want to push them over right now, but you can choose the type of bidding and choose either broad, exact, doesn't matter. You can add, and then you can add again as many times as you want to add exact or the other features. So now we also have keywords that have been already added inside our account for that specific ad. You can see that you have broad, exact, and these been added using my software. Now the next thing that we want to do, since now we've created ads, we want to take it a little bit further. We're going to actually start tracking everything that you want from that specific offer. So the best way we're going to do this is come back into Max Bounty. We're going to go ahead and get our link, but first we're going to build it. So click on search, click on raw link, and then choose a sub ID from where you're going to be driving traffic from. Apply that sub ID, copy this link, come back into our link. This will be our new survey test, new survey. Click from which affiliate network I'm working with. So this is Max Bounty. I'm going to add this URL that we just created, and we're going to inject tracking. Now once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and click on add, and now we've got a link where we can test everything from. So the next thing I want to do is get this postback URL, copy that, come back into my account and enter the postback so it can communicate with Max Bounty over here. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so we're done with this place. And as you've noticed, if I took this link right now and went into my browser, and since I'm in Greece, this is probably not going to give me the actual site. Now, if I actually use my Bing Bang Profits software, it's going to give me the actual link, and I'll show you how. So if I go into everything, I'm going to go ahead and set my tracking URL. By doing this, I'm going to choose the actual campaign that I've created, and then choose the ad group that I used. And you can see that right here, this is the actual last final URL that's been created from my actual software, from my tracking tool. So I'm going to click on set, and now I've just set my links to run with the ads that I'm running on here. So if I go to my ads, All right, and I go, you can see that all these signature surveys are different from the surveys to cash. And that's because it was in a different ad group. So these have been added already, and these are going to be running almost instantly as soon as they're approved, etc. from Bing. So right now we are tracking, and the way that the tracking works is pretty much simple. This is another example of what's been converting for me. So what the information I'm getting from the tracking is also what keyword has converted from which ad that we placed and which match type it was. So this means broad, and the broad is the online paid surveys. So I can go out and create more ads using the ad ID, which is which ad has converted for me the most. Okay, so these are the types of tracking information that you're getting from these campaigns. If you come down here, you can see that my links actually changed the final URL and plus added this automatically using my software. You didn't have to do any tracking, learning any tracking or doing anything that has to do with this. Our software just went in and pushed everything inside this software. Now the next step that we want to do is basically split test everything. This is our newest feature on how you can split test your actual campaigns. Now this is an example of one of the split testing that I've been doing, and I can see that clearly one of the ads that I'm running is actually converting for me. Okay, this is showing me what converted and the time and everything. Now the way that this works is basically if we wanted to add a new split test, I'm going to click on add split test and we're going to name it. So this is going to be the new survey split. Choose the campaign once again. Going to go out and find the actual campaign that I created. Choose the ad group. And now I want to split test my ads. And I want to use the actual new link that I'm using. And I'm going to be split testing by impressions in this one. And I want it to run for like 5 hours. And then I want to see which one is converting. Now these are all depending on what you want to do, and then create. Now this will create a split test situation where I'm going to learn which ad copy, which keyword is working better, etc., depending on the metrics that I'm choosing, etc. And this will give me all the information for me to get a maximum return on my investment. It's going to help me do my testing better. I'm going to be able to just do everything from my actual account in the back of this software dashboard. Now real quick, this is what Bing Bang Profits does. We also have some extra features as a keyword merger and custom keywords that you can add and push them over if you have found and you've done your own research. And basically the links is our new tracking tool that comes with our domain feature, where you can add your own domains to track your links, etc. And then you're going to be able to find out what's actually converting from where and from what ad source, what ad ID, what keyword, and you're going to be able to do it from here. Now the links tracking and the split tests are two of our newest features, which is separate from the front end, which is the Bing Bang Profits competition and Bing Bang Profits suggest tool, where you're going to be able to create your ads. And using our training inside the members area, you're going to be able to start right as soon as you get inside. Now, if you want to upgrade, the link tracking and the split testing tool will be available. So make the choice and get it today. Thank you so much for watching this quick demo, and I'll talk to you inside.